Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I go further, I would like to greet everyone a happy and prosperous New Year 2021. If you are new to my channel, my name is Darlene. I talk about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, reviews, travel, shopping, and more. If this is the content that you like, please considering subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss all my updates. If you are a returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do love to see you back and I appreciate it. This video, guys, I'll be doing the part 2 unboxing of my birthday gifts. So I am so excited to share this one with you guys. Come and join me. Here is the box right here. It has a gorgeous ribbon in gray, light gray, and it comes from Nordstrom. So excited to open this one with you guys. Let me read the card right here. To Darlene, from someone who loves you so much. Look at the way they wrap this one from Nordstrom. It's so gorgeous. I love the colors. I think I need to cut this one with my scissor here. So let me turn it out here. There you go. Let's see where's the opening on this one. Okay, I found it. There she is. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. There are so many tissue paper over here. So let me put this tissue back there so you guys can see what's inside. Let me adjust the camera quick. All right, there you go. And let's see what I get from here. Okay, let me put that one on the side. Are you guys ready? Let's open this one together. Oh my god! Look at that one. This is what I got, guys. YSL. It's a beauty product, guys. It's a travel pouch with lipstick right there. Let's see. Let's open this one on the side. Let's open that one. And there she is. It's so gorgeous. It's gorgeous like there. Oh my gosh. And this is the back. Wow. I got 3 lipsticks. So I'm excited to share this one with you guys. And I'm going to do try on. Let's see what's in here. Let me open the side. They're giving me a hard time on this one here. I don't want to rip this one. I don't have lipstick from YSL yet, so this is a perfect gift for me. Let's see. There she is. Let me pull this one. Oh, wow. Look at that one, ladies. It's gorgeous. There is the sign of the YSL. And the zipper is gold with YSL, if you guys can see it well. It's cute pouch, perfect for traveling. Right there. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. They are wrapped in a tissue paper too. Okay, let me put this one on the side. What do I have here? Okay. I think these are the lipstick, the Rouge. Oh, wow. Look at that one, guys. It's gorgeous. And look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. It's gold color. And that one too. I love the casing of this lipstick. Let me see. Let me get my glasses, guys, because I cannot see well. Okay, so let me get the first one. Wow, look at the sign. There is the YSL. You see? Right there. YSL. So ladies, these are the 3 lovely miniature lipstick from YSL. I'm gonna try on this one so you guys can see how this lipstick looks on me, okay? The first one, ladies, that I'm going to try on is the number 52 shade, the Rosy Coral. There she is. It's a lovely color. It's really miniature and perfect for traveling when you go travel. It's rich and creamy. It smells like candy smell. That's the color. Let me put that one here. Okay, that's Rosy Coral. Perfect for all skin tone. All right, so the next lipstick that I'm going to try on is number 70 shade, which is the basic nude. There she is. Oh, I love this color. Perfect for everyday. The coral, the Rosy Coral is perfect for everyday too, but if you would like just a lighter color, this one is the most perfect one. Let me try this one on. It glides easily. Oh, I like this color. Perfect for everyday use. What do you think, ladies? Okay, let me dab that one here. Okay, that's the color. The basic nude. Okay, let's go to the next one. The last one is the blood red color, which is the number 1. I'm looking on my paper over here. There she is. That's the color. Oh, very it's gorgeous color. Stunning. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on. I like this color. It's very creamy. And it has a satin finish. What you think, ladies? Okay, I love this color. Let me try this one on. And put that one on the side. And let me take this one. That's the color. Oh, gorgeous. I love the color on this. Beautiful. I'm gonna do the trick, the combination of darker and lighter color, and let's see what's gonna come out. Combine these 2 colors to create another new color, the blood red and then the basic nude. I'm gonna put this one first, the red. There you go. And then put the basic nude on top. I like this way. I always like to combine the colors. Okay, what you think, ladies? This is the combination of these 2 colors. It's gorgeous. Put that one in my hand. Okay, that's it. Wow, it's gorgeous color when you combine with this one. Let's see with the coral color. Let's see what's gonna come out. Okay, ladies, I'm gonna combine the Rosy Coral and the basic nude. I like this coral. Okay, that's the first one. Let me see what color are gonna come up. There she is. There you go, ladies. It's gorgeous color with this nude and this color over here. They are all gorgeous colors on the street miniature lipstick from YSL. I'm glad I got this one. Plus, I have the traveling pouch. This gorgeous traveling pouch that I can carry and put other stuff aside from this lipstick. Thank you, ladies, for watching and joining me today. Remember to subscribe and like and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.